A quick overview on what a funnel is, how to properly set it up, and how we're going to use it so you have a better understanding. Funnels are, or the copy that goes onto funnels is 100% centered around solving a very acute, big problem that somebody has. The better you can describe that problem, the more convincing the solution already becomes. Because if you can get in the mind of your ideal client and explain their problem better than they can do it themselves, automatically they will link, like, if this guys know this so well, he must have the solution. This happens all at a subconscious level. So that's very important. So the first very important thing is, what is the biggest pain point that your ideal clients have that everybody else in the industry isn't really solving well enough, or you do it so much better? That's number one. Number two is being very specific. People don't want an SEO expert. They want the SEO expert for their niche and their business. So you have to micro niche down.
Okay.
You cannot be like SEO agency, I help everybody, yay! They don't want that. So you have to look at, like, who in the whole SEO realm, people interested in SEO, where are the best clients with the most money that really need this, and then you go after them. For example, I have friends that are running an SEO agency, and the only thing they do is tradies, like plumbers and HVAC and all kind of stuff, and very geo. The guy is killing it because that's his specific niche. He doesn't do anything else. He does SEO, geo-targeting with geo-targeted Google Ads also. That's what he's doing, nothing else. Have you thought about that already? And if yes, who or what are you leaning towards? Because what we need to do is, my friend, he is the SEO expert for local tradie businesses. So if you're a tradie and you're looking for an SEO agency, who do you think is going to get the business? Somebody that advertises SEO agency, everything goes, or SEO agency for tradies, and then all the testimonials, da 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 da. You see what I mean? So very important. So if you don't have these two things in place, like a huge urgent problem that they need to solve for a very specific market, you're not ready for a funnel. I'm going to waste your time and waste your budget.